Another low-cost over-the-ear headphone from Bluedio, the Turbine T5. Hoping to achieve a lot without costing too much. Let's see how it performs. This Bluedio Turbine review unit was provided by GearBest. I have placed links in the description along with the discount coupon codes. Also, the review unit is part of the next giveaway. The link is in the description. Please also refer to the terms and conditions. Right, let's begin with the packaging. The headphone comes in a black printed box. This is the 5th generation version. Once we open the box, the headphone is sitting flat along with a little box. This box contains audio cables and a charging cable. There is also a carry pouch. They also include a quick user's manual, which is handy. Moving on to the headphone, the cups are rather large and the cushion is circular, hence the circular cans. The plastic surface is reflective and is somewhat similar to the Sony XP250 we looked at earlier. The construction is a mix of plastic and metal. The metal parts are nice and chunky. In the black version, it's painted over, so it's not so obvious, but once we touch it, we know. The cushion is nice and soft, and the fox leather material has a good feel to it. And overall, it's comfy. The clamping force is about right as well. But yes, the band cannot be permanently bent to ease the clamping force if someone wants to do that. The headband has cushioning as well, but a bit softer would have made it perfect. As far as long-term comfort goes, the Turbine benefits from the large ear cups because by most part it is able to clear the soft parts of the ear and the cushion rests around the ear on the bony parts. This is very similar to the AKG K52 headphones. With regards to the button layout, the white button is the volume control. Next, we have the multi-function button, then the play-pause button. On the right ear cup, we have the switch for the noise cancellation. Once we turn on the headphone, the pairing process is fairly straightforward and there is voice notifications as well. And now onto the business of sound. I'll start with the treble and mids. I'm actually very happy with the restraint and control over the treble and the mids. A lot of the background instruments are nicely audible. Top marks for treble and mids. With regards to the bass, there is not enough for my liking. I have tried to tweak the sound using equalizer but without any favorable result. I thought this would be similar case like that of the Bluedio UFO. It had hidden power and the bass was like subwoofer pumping lows directly into the brain. Next comes the noise cancellation. In short, it works, up to a point. This is not as good as that of Bose QC series, but yes, most certainly it reduces a lot of the frequencies, but not everything. Also, the sound quality is affected and one needs to get used to the changed sound profile once the noise cancellation is turned on. Personally, I liked it with the noise cancellation off. The cushion does a good enough job of noise isolation. So what are my thoughts? For the price, this is certainly a decent proposition. Near this price range, we don't get this build quality, plus this comfort level, plus wireless, plus noise cancellation. A lot of things in one hit. The downside is that we are missing on the bass a bit. Given that the quality of mids are good, for those who like to listen to podcasts or lectures or violin for that matter, the Turbine is good and it will cut out some of the background noise as well, especially if you are out and about. If someone is okay with the lower level of bass, then overall this is not a bad deal. Well, that wraps up the video. Hope you have enjoyed it. This headphone is part of the next giveaway. To take part, please follow the link to the Gleam page to participate. Terms and conditions do apply. The link to the terms is in the description as well. More reviews and giveaways are on the way. Please subscribe to stay updated. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.